welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. It's the end of October, and I'm not sure if you guys know, but I just love fall. It's just one of my favorite seasons of the year. You get some warmth, but you also get some like chill weather, which isn't too bad. If you were raised here, you guys kind of know we get that consistent weather. Another thing is these sweaters. I just love oversized and comfy sweaters that you get to wear basically all year long, but of course during the fall is when everyone comes out with their best sweaters. Since we're talking about sweaters, let's just go ahead and jump into my first favorite. So earlier this year, I've been ordering clothes from this company called Shein. I'm sure you guys heard of it, seen it on Instagram, you know, Facebook ads. I kind of got the hang of ordering things, understanding a little bit about their sizes. The first order I had with them, I was ordering doubles. So whatever I ordered in a medium and a large, just because I know I'm not an extra small or small. A lot of times the clothing, the top can fit, but the bottoms can't fit and vice versa. So that's why I buy two sizes, and whatever doesn't fit and I know that will fit someone that I know, my family member, or I will just donate it. I want to say this order, I actually enjoyed every single item. Okay, I lied. I liked every single piece that I ordered except for one. And that's rare. So with that said, I'm gonna start off with this sweater that I'm wearing right now. This is definitely an oversized sweater. It has like a large neck area here. You can fold it. There's so many ways to wear this. Keep in mind, I would suggest scrolling down to the bottom of each item and really read the comments. There are people who say they bought this size, this color, their height, their weight, and it really does help with the sizing chart, because a lot of times you read the size chart and you get it, you're like, what? You think would have been your size, may have been stretchy, but it wasn't, or you know, and you're just like. So the sweater that I'm wearing now, I've seen it many times and I was eyeing it, but I was kind of on the fence about purchasing it. Well, I literally snoozed and I wasn't able to get it in my size. I know. So when I was in Manila and I was bored and had nothing to do, that is when I actually made this purchase then. The only size that they had left in the sweater was a 2X. Yeah, a 2X. So I was like, okay, I don't think I'm gonna fit it. I mean, maybe large or extra large just to make it a little oversized and baggier looking. Then I thought to myself, let's go ahead and read the comments and see what people said. So believe it or not, this is a 2X. It actually is just perfect on me. It is loose, but the material of this is not too flimsy. It's not too stretchy or bends out of shape. The sleeves, the length of this is perfect. I have a really short torso, as you can see. It actually fits me pretty well. As long as I wear some high-waisted pants or jeans, it actually elongates my body a slight bit. Keep in mind, this material is not cotton and you don't want to put this in a dryer. If anything, hang this for most of the part and tumble dry for like 10 minutes on super low or low just to get a little shape back. But other than that, I love this sweater. This is another oversized sweater that I bought. Really thought it was a lot darker, like a burgundy maroon as it was in the picture. It's a lot lighter in pink, but either way, I really love this sweater. It has a large neckline, so you can wear this one shoulder, two shoulders, no shoulders. It's really nice and thin, so you can add like a camisole under here or layer this with another sweater or jacket. The sleeves are really nice. They kind of taper out to the bottom, so it's more baggy around the arm area, but it's nice and fitted on the sleeve, so it's not super baggy over your wrists. I wore this on my recent video, and then when I had my hair pulled back, it kind of looked like Kelly Kapowski from Saved by the Bell vibes. This was totally 90s, and I really love this sweater. This here isn't a sweater, it's basically a long tee. It's very thin. What I really like about this shirt is that it's not a traditional like even shape here. As you can see, it has like a little diamond shape. It's actually on the front and the back, but it kind of tapers on the side. And again, being really petite with short legs, it actually gives me an illusion of a longer leg. It actually fits really well. The other side is kind of normal, but you can see it just fits really cute. I think it's a really cute basic tee. You can dress up and of course wear with jeans. Here's another short sleeve tee. It's very flexible, it's very thin. I love how soft this is. It may look like a shirt, but it's actually like a long asymmetrical shirt. You can see the left side is just brushing all along my leg. It's basically covering my whole leg, and on the right side, once again, it's shorter. Once again, with the asymmetrical look, it gives me a longer leg view on one side. I saw this online and I was like, I don't know if I can pull this off because again, I'm super short, But trying this on, it's really cute with jeans. You can dress this up once again. I can wear this with sneakers and possibly some heels. So the holidays are coming up and I wanted to get an evening dress should I go anywhere, right? Just in case. But I was torn between getting a burgundy or a emerald dress. So what did I end up doing? So I ended up buying both of these dresses. These dresses are really nice. They are spaghetti strapped. You can actually adjust them to your desired length if you want it tighter or looser, or if you have longer torso. I have a short torso, so it's gonna be pretty tight and short. It has a nice zipper down the side. The material's really stretchy, it's lightweight, and it won't wrinkle. That's like one main thing. I like this because you can still wear a bra with it or not if you choose to. It has like a nice little ruffled but kind of tapered to the side kind of look, so it does kind of hide your belly. I of course have a regular bra on so you can see my bra, but you can always wear a nude color one if it's not too high and it shows, or if it's not too low in the front. You can wear a strapless bra with it. It's slightly loose on the side, but I think it has just enough room if I wanted to take it into my alterations lady and tighten a bit, or just leave it like this so if I eat I have extra space in my dress. Length is just perfect. I can wear my regular 3 or 2 inch heels and it wouldn't be too long or dragging. I really like the slit. The slit on the side is really pretty. It's not too revealing, but it's still elegant looking. So this is the last dress that I have, and you know I could not leave without getting a neon dress. This is a really fun dress. I don't think I can really wear this out unless if I'm going to like Vegas or somewhere in the summer. It's super thin. What I like about this is that it's very breathable. It fits me perfectly, but it's so thin. Sometimes you might see some lines around the body, so you gotta be careful with that. You can rough it up and it won't wrinkle. Well, actually it will wrinkle. Just kidding. It was an inexpensive buy, but I just thought it was so fun and cute. I really like the slit. It's not too high or revealing once again. This was just a fun buy. It's cute to have. You never know if you're going to a party or just going to the beach somewhere and you can wear something nice and bright. So you guys know I'm a coffee lover. This was a t-shirt that I bought that I actually disliked. I love the material of this. It's super soft. It doesn't wrinkle. It's easy to travel with. The only thing I disliked is this here. You see, it's like this material that's kind of plasticky. I feel like after a few washes, it'll start cracking and stretching. This was the only shirt that I actually disliked, but I liked everything else that I bought. Keep in mind, all the dresses I bought are all size large. This here is the only one that is 2XL. If you guys didn't know, I just came back from Manila and I was like hair clip junkie obsessed person. In addition to these, I bought other cute trinkets, hair clips, rings, snacks, and goodies. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll go ahead and put that link down below for you guys. In Manila, they have this new makeup store. It's called Sunnies Faces or Sunnies Face. Sunnies Face. I bought these 2 lipsticks that I'm so in love with. I really wish they have this here, or maybe they will sometime in the future. You best believe once I go back to Manila, I'm gonna visit the store one more time. So I bought 2 lipsticks and I bought some eyebrow stuff, but these lipsticks are to die for. These 2 formulations are really pretty. Velvety matte finish. This one is called Milkshake and this one is called Vacay. Really love the textures and formulations, and I can't wait to visit the store again to buy some more. I recently purchased some Milk Cosmetics product. This formulation is really close to the Sunnies lipsticks. It's super velvety and comfortable and such a long wear. This color is Nudist and this color is Cinder. Also got their stack shadows, and this one here is called Dark Matter Stacks. The top one comes with the mirror, second one is a shadow, third is a shadow, fourth is a shadow, fifth is a shadow, all in one stack. And I have to be careful, but they are magnetic, guys. So they kind of, have to be careful because the last time I did this, I dropped it, but it didn't crack. These are magnetic stacks. Instagram made me buy this. I saw this again when I was in Manila and I was like, I kind of want to try a new sponge. And this kept popping up on the ad, so I was like, I think I need to get this. So this was also in addition to all the other purchases I made. This here is called the Super Sponge, and it's half silicone and half regular sponge. Now this sponge is supposed to be really cool because it's non-absorbent, so you get 2 to 4 more coverages with a regular foundation. Of course, it's gonna expand when it gets wet, has a longer lifespan. It's marshmallow soft, it's antibacterial, and also scrubs clean. This didn't come with it. This is just my little sauce tray. This is the sponge here. The whole top is actually silicone based, and the bottom is like the soft sponge, and it comes with a like little silicone sponge that you can use to like wash. I really like this because you can put this in between your fingers here and just kind of scrub while you're cleaning it. You can hold it in the palm of your hands if it's easier. I believe, oh, it's not. I thought this was maybe like a suction cup. You could stick it on the sink so you could just be hands-free to use this, but I guess not. One side is a little bit softer, the other side is a little bit more firm, so I guess depending how much you want to scrub or clean. But I've been using this and it actually is nice. The only thing I didn't really like about it is that when I squeezed really hard, it left like weird air bubble pockets, and I wasn't sure if that was normal because when I'm cleaning my sponge and I wring it out and I squeeze it, I think I squeezed this too hard and it made a popping noise. It still works, but I thought this was a really neat sponge. Since I came back from Manila, I purchased this boba straw, and I promised myself and to the world that I won't be using plastic straws because I purchased a metal straw when I go out to drink tapioca. Look at this thing, guys. It's like huge. So this is not a regular sponge. As you can see, the top here is a larger hole for tapioca or boba. It has an angled tip here so you can get all that drink and bobas out of the bottom, and it actually comes with a large brush that you can use to clean your straw. Until your next trip, you have a case and you're ready for the next one. What I'm obsessed about is having a glow, brightening properties. This here is by Hum, and this is a vitamin that actually has vitamin C, and I'm gonna eat it. They kind of taste like orangecles. Ooh, I just gleeked. It kind of tastes like orangecles, but it is so good. It's just a supplement. It's gonna give you 20 calories of sugar. It's orange flavor, but it's gonna be gluten-free, soy-free, pure and potent, GMO-free, sustainably sourced, and no artificial colors. This is just gonna give you a nice glow. Just again, an additive to your daily vitamin C's, but it has hyaluronic and vitamin E, so it's really good for you. And it tastes good. Sorry, I have one more thing to show you. This is non-beauty related, but I've been doing this on the side. I purchased this on Amazon, and this is basically a beginner's book on how to write calligraphy. I mean, I know how to write in cursive, but this is like a fancy version of cursive, and I know you need to use like a special pen, so I'm just gonna use a basic pencil just to get the letterings and the strokes on point until I'm more advanced, and I'll get a pen so I can start writing Christmas cards and letters to people. I really like this book because it actually shows you how to write in capital letters, you have lowercase letters, and you want to write it in bold fonts. And it's just a beginner's guidebook, and it just shows you how to write it. I kind of feel like I'm in elementary school with like our recycled paper. Do you guys remember that? It's just fun, and it's, you know, really soothing, and it's just really therapeutic just to kind of write. Give yourself some me time and clear your brain and just pencil away. Very inexpensive book. I highly recommend this. Once you get the hang of it, I'm sure you can start writing it on regular scratch paper and stuff. Again, this is just a beginner's book on how to write in calligraphy. So that's basically it, guys. I didn't have too much. You guys know I was traveling for most of the last 2 months. Wanted to share some of the favorites that I had, and majority seemed like it was clothes. I'll go ahead and put everything down in the info box for you guys. I hope you guys have a fun and safe Halloween. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified on my new uploads and videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!